welcome to my channel. Today's video for Nena's Bubble is going to be a recommendation, kind of a shareable video for you guys because I want to share it with you. Yeah, first of all, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It's totally free. You will make me super happy. And yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys this item because it's the beginning of the year. Everybody's trying to get into a new habit or continue the habit that they already have, or just simply be healthy like I will. I wanted to get something, let me just say, I wanted to get a scale that would actually help me in a way to motivate me a little bit more than just see a number in a regular scale, or one of those that just ring, kind of like a clock. That's the one I have, or I used to have. One just centers and then the little hand moves to the weight. I wanted to have something that would motivate me and I would actually see a little bit of a change besides the weight number. Maybe I would lose some other body fat or something else that would actually motivate me to lose more weight. So I do have a walker that we have gotten before, but since it's the beginning of the year, motivation is needed, very needed. So I got this scale. It's the Arrows Love Your Body. It's the, and I'm going to butcher this, inevifit scale. It's a smart scale, smart body fat scale that actually tells you more than just your weight. So that's what I wanted. I wanted to know more besides the big number, because it's just a big number, right? And this scale is totally very fancy, I would think. Let me put it away from the scale. It's highly accurate. It gives you your body composition percentage. It's unlimited to users, and it's a smart tracking, so you can link it to an app at your tablet, at your phone, wherever you want to link it to. I linked it to my app because even though I want to know more about my weight, I don't want to be all crazy up on the number. That makes me very nervous and gives me anxiety. So nobody wants that, right? So smart tracking for other people that do super exercise, it's very helpful, and it has a bunch of other things that you can check. I will tell you, just for you to know. It gives you your body weight, it's a body scale, a weight scale. It gives you your body mass index, or your BMI. It tells you your body fat, tells you your fat-free body weight. Woohoo! It tells you your subcutaneous fat, tells you your visceral fat, which is helpful, and your body water. It gives your skeletal muscle. It gives you your muscle mass. It gives you your bone mass, your protein, your basal metabolism rate, your BMR, and your metabolic age. That's a hard one. So all of these things, this scale will give you. So it's super helpful for somebody that is one. It's the black one. They also have it in white. I will show you. Look at this. It's glass. If you're able to see the thing, it's glass here, plastic on the bottom, and it has this metal parts to it. I don't know if you could be able to see that or not, but look at that. It has this metal plates, and it gives you your number here and all of your other information. Your body fat, your body mass, your body water will link to the app immediately once you step on it. I will show you how this would look like. Right over here where this little square is, this is where your LED display. So you see, to view your weight here, you would see the big number here like any other scale. And these are actually stainless steel electrodes. Is that, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right? This is where you put your feet. These metal stainless steel parts are the ones that actually would measure all of the other parts besides your weight. These use for body composition analysis. And now these, if we flip it over, right over here, these little buddies over here, the little circles, these are high strain weight sensors, for self-calibrating sensors. So it kind of moves a little bit to calibrate a little bit for you to check everything. And right here it is the battery port. So it does use 3 of the AAA batteries. In order to use this and to do all the things I'm going to show you here on the box, you have to download the AeroScale app. It does give you an RCA code, I think it's called, and you can automatically scan and download. If you don't just look for AeroScale, it comes out right away. It looks just like that, so it's very easy to find. You just simply sign up and then do your profile. Look at this. You sign up and create your profile. Is really easy. It just asks you for your name, your date, obviously your email, but it asks you for your either male, female, your name, your birth date, and your height. That's the only information that you would actually need to put there, and then it will actually start doing its job. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you how much I weigh, because guess what, I'm gonna give you because guess what, I don't care. So I'm going to show you right over here. Just add another member, and that's what I liked about this scale as well, that you can just add another member and just do it. See, it says add your friend, and it says do need Bluetooth to be enabled so they can contact each other. But look at here, so you need to be barefoot. You cannot have socks to do this because the stainless steel things need to censor you. If you don't like my nails, sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. And right away, touch onto my weight. We gotta wait a little bit, and it'll change over here on the app. Now everything here on the app, it's totally different. You're going to be able to see all of the honeycomb things here already filled up with my weight, 137.6, my BMI 24.4, body fat is 26.9%, and so on and so on, visceral fat. And look at this, all the way to metabolic age 30. But it gives you all of the information. All of it is filled up, and it has the number right at the top, the big number. So it gives you here a weight goal, and it gives you your body fat right on the other side. You can put your weight goal measurement right here to maybe, if I want to be 130, confirm to make myself lose 7 pounds. I have my weight goal, my actual weight, and then compare and contrast. I'm going to show you a little one more time, and I'm going to try and maybe see if we get another weight, just to see, for you to see that it does change. See, right away it tells me, hey, that doesn't look like your weight. Are you sure it's your weight? No, it's not mine. Yes, it is mine. Oh, I used my toe, sorry. But you will see that it does change, and all of your thing here will change as well. There you have it. I think it's super easy to use, super helpful to know a bunch of things from you. It gives you more motivation to see something would change besides the big number. Something else is changing in your body that is giving you an encouragement to actually change the big number, because sometimes we just lose some other things in the body that are still going to be contributing to the big number, and that is helpful and very nice to know. So yeah, if you guys want to get this app. This scale that I got as well, down in the description box will be a link to where you can find it and buy it and get it. It looks very chic and very nice, and it's arrows, love your body. Yeah, well, that is all that I have for you guys today with the scale that I got. Comment down below if you already have this. Comment down below if you like my nails. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys. Subscribe. Thank you so much, and happy 2020 again. See you later. Bye bye.